everyone, welcome to this next video for your do-it-yourself perfect pillow box. Now, right now we're going to look at how to sew the pillowcase. So there are two different sizes right now for the do-it-yourself boxes. There's the small size and the large size. So small, and I say large, but it's a regular sized pillow. Now, the first thing to notice is there are two different sides to the fabric. On some fabrics, you won't notice the difference. Now on this fleece, I can see one side is not quite as nice as the other. So this side is nicer, it's going to be your right side. This side is not quite as nice, it's going to be your wrong side. So, and there's two directions in which you can fold it, but you want it to look like this, like quite a bit longer one way than the other, but not, you know, if I put it the other way, you're going to see right away that it doesn't work. But you do have to be careful about which way you're folding it. See, it's way too skinny. So you want to be